Hi, beauty friend. How are you?
Yes, friend. I am fine.
You're fine. So I'm also fine.
Yes.
So today I feel very good.
Okay.
We came a new place. This place is good.
Yeah.
And how do you feel to come in this place?
I am very feel. His name is Mr. Nahid. She is a very beautiful man.
Mhm. And we are also beautiful person. And this place name is Tech City. Hey,
Yes.
nice brother. How are you?
Night brother.
I am fine.
You are fine.
Please say something.
So what happened with you? Come into the place.
ইমান জায়গা মোরে অসানো ইমান জায়গা আসা নেই লগা
এটা জায়গাটা কোনো
Yes.
ভালো নাই।
স্যার বেলেগ জায়গাতে ले जाता लो जाएगा तो इमान आशा होता
ओ फोटो वीडियो है सर
दिस प्लेस इज
इग्नोर डिलीट
दिस प्लेस
Beautiful. Okay.
सुनो सुनो इस वीडियो में क्या हो रहा है ये जानने के लिए सीखो ऐप डाउनलोड करो
Okay. Please subscribe. Thank you.